Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is XTZ coin or tezos coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical answers, as well as I'll be talking about different important levels. So watch the video completely without skipping, or else you will miss important points. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously you can see candles were falling from resistance, came down to support, again it went up, then continuously the fall is happening. So you can see previously the candles are moving in upward direction, and then you can see continuously the candles were falling after that. So this is the support and this resistance. Okay, so you can see after the breakout candles came to support, again went up, and now the fall is taking place. So you can see, if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So currently you can see candles are falling. Okay, and you can see that very clearly. After the candles went up, continuously the candles are falling, and this is the support resistance trend line. Okay, so like this fall, and once the breakout happens, again the candles may move to the resistance level, which is around 0.6132. Like this it will move in this channel pattern, and after the breakout it may start moving towards resistance level, which is around 3.13, and from there fall may take place. So currently you can see candles were falling in this channel pattern. Okay, so this is the downtrend, then uptrend. Again you can see the breakout happens, so candles are coming down, and after the breakout it may go up, again the fall, and then finally after the breakout it may go to the resistance level, and then fall may take place. So previously you can see candles are moving in upward direction. So you can see that when the candles are moving in upward direction, you can see RSI also moving up. When the reversal takes place, you can see RSI is also falling, and again when the candles move up, again you can see RSI is also moving in the upward direction. So you can use the additional indicator for confirmation. Okay, so but you have to draw the trend lines to find out support resistance level, so that it'll be easy to know where the candles are moving. Okay, so now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $0.3685. It is down by 2%. Rank is around 88, around 421k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 396 million. Volume 24 hours is 15.01 billion, and you can see total supply is 1.09 billion, and circulating supply is 1.07 billion XTZ coin. Okay, now we'll go to the chart. So make sure like to have a stop loss. Suppose you can see here, after this fall, you can see the candles have given a breakout, and fall, after the fall the downtrend was going on, and after the breakout the uptrend started. So after the breakout you can see the candles went up, retracement, and if you enter in this place, your stop loss would be below this support trend line, and then price goes up, you make some profit here. Again the fall happened, again it was moving sideways. So you have to find the trend first before you take a decision. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only. No financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision.